for problem 2.17, so if you read the question and then this is my code, and if I run my code, there's the value of the force. So for problem 2.18, basically it's very similar to 2.17, but 10 distance of the Earth and the Moon. So I have to use lens space. So this is the one that I changed compared to 2.17. So this is the different. 2.17 you just put one value. Well, in 2.18 you need to create different number. So this is the way I do it. This is my code and I need to run it. So you've got different values. 2.19, recall the problem 2.7. So you have to go back to 2.7. This is my code for 2.7, and then because the question now we are answering 2.19, so this is my code for 2.19. The A part, run the section, so I've got this value, and then the B part, I run the section, so I got that value. So if I run both A and B, so I have two values here, but they're different because one is with the lens space and another one is just 220. This is how I do it. I have all of this, and then this is the last one. Okay, and then this is another one. 221 and 222 is just saving your work. So basically I finished all the chapter 2 problems, and I'm going to move on to chapter 3 tomorrow. Anyway, hopefully it helps, and if you have any question, just ask me because I'm learning by doing. Maybe if you are new with MATLAB, it's going to be useful as well, just to do the whole book and doing it step by step. Anyway, speak to you next time. Bye.